one of the most impressive things is, I know there's one person, you know, we all know who it is, yeah, who is an incredible leader in this, yeah, because Harold, yeah, he's really a hero for me, yeah, and he is, without him, that wouldn't happen, yeah, but industry now learns from him that it's really necessary to take all these problems, yeah, and see it as a chance for solving, yeah. Yeah? And then we can make much money with this. Yeah? By solving problems, you can make money. Yeah? And that was a long time, it was nearly impossible to get it in the brain of the industry. Yeah?